I forgot what we were coming out here to even videotape. What are we coming out here to do? Oh! Did Papa smush you in bed last night?
Yeah.
But I got up at 5 o'clock this morning.
And then you moved in the bed that we were in.
Yeah, then you had all the room you wanted. And you slept good after I got up, didn't you?
Yeah, and then we were gonna get it out.
Yeah. What's Gigi making right now?
I was making what we told her to make.
I think she's making bacon and biscuits.
What is?
And eggs?
Yeah.
Oh, we're going to have fantastic breakfast. Yeah. When are you going to start cooking with me?
I said when I get older.
Yeah, when you get older.
Yeah, but I'm not older yet.
And how old are you right now?
3.
You know, Maddie started cooking with me when she was 3. But you're kind of different.
Yeah.
You know, do you remember what I normally call you?
No.
Cindy Lou Who. Because you look like Cindy Lou Who. Yeah, folks. Alright. When are you talking about anything else?
No.
Oh, you're going swimming today.
Yeah.
Because you like to swim. I saw you yesterday. I came over there and you swam from one side of the pool to the other underwater.
Mm-hmm.
Man, you're like a fish. Look over here. You're like a fish. And you're 3?
Yeah.
And you can swim like that?
Yeah.
Man, you're like a penguin. You know what a penguin is?
No.
Yeah, I didn't think so.
I'm penguin. So I'll just wobble like that, and I don't.
Yeah, that's a little different. Alright. Wave at the camera and say bye-bye. You don't even know what this is about or what it is, do you? Yeah, I figured that. So far, that's my youngest one. We got a couple more coming around. They just ain't here yet. See y'all. It's papatexas. Enjoying life, hurting and healing. Yeah.